Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I have a Shein haul to share with you. The links to Shein and SheGlam, all that kind of stuff is going to be in the description box below, as well as other links. Now let's move on with the haul. There was a couple clothing items. I'm going to throw up some pictures. The first one is a wolf hoodie in blue, and that was for Connor. The material is really nice and soft. It is kind of thin. I believe it was like $11 or so. It has slight stretch. The other shirt that I'm going to share with you is a Christmas gift, and they do have some YouTube merch on Shein now. An Unspeakable shirt, and he's a YouTuber. Connor likes watching some of his content sometimes, so we got him that shirt for Christmas, and I believe that was $7, and the material is that of a workout clothing material, really soft. It is stretchable. It is overall seemingly nice. I did get a really good deal on some Q-tips. They are always having sales all the time. They've always got some kind of promotional kind of code stuff going on. But 500 Q-tips for 86 cents. Can't beat that. And then the rest of the stuff is all makeup. I really wanted to start doing some more SheGlam full face makeup tutorials using some new SheGlam makeup, so I got quite a few things. One of the things that I've been eyeing for a while are these velvet powder puffs. I believe this was under $2 for 4 of these. I got the set that's kind of fall-like colors. So you get a pretty plum, there's an orange, a brown, and a navy blue. These are incredibly soft. They're triangular shape, and you can stick your fingers in there to hold the puff. So incredibly soft. And I got these to apply under eye powder. And there was one thing that I definitely did not have from SheGlam to do a full face, and that is something for eyebrows. So they had this on sale for $2.10, and it's the SheGlam Brows on Demand 2-in-1 Brow Pencil. Nice packaging. They always have really nice packaging. But you get a liquid liner like pen, and you get the liner, roll up liner on the other end. It's a really thin, fine line pencil too. I got mine in the shade chocolate. There was 4 shades to choose from. SheGlam did come out with a couple new makeup releases collections. Got a few things from each of the newest collections. So first I'm going to start with the Cosmic Come Up collection. So the first thing I purchased from that collection, the SheGlam Interstellar Beauty Sponge. The packaging on this collection and the next are top. Like, it's some of the prettiest, nicest collections they've done, in my opinion. The sponge is incredibly soft, and it's an alien. This was $1.49. Don't know how long the wording and the face is going to stay on there, but I'm interested in trying this out in a video. So you have a beveled edge here, and the rest is kind of like a teardrop. Next up for the Cosmic Come Up collection is the SheGlam High Beam Mini Matte Lipstick Set. There's 2 of these to choose from. There's a more pinky, lighter set, and then there's this dark, vampy kind of set. These little lipsticks are so adorable. They are mini. Your reference to my short little fingernail here. They are tiny little lipsticks. But you get some really beautiful shades in here. This was $5, and I wanted it for this plum shade. I've been trying to dupe this AOA Studio lipstick forever, and I think this is pretty close. Absolutely stunning. So this one actually is green. They pop off. So really, really tiny. But a good price for 4 lipsticks to try. pretty dark red. A plum. A raisin color. And there's a brown. Set was definitely more fitting for fall and winter over the pink one. I just knew that I wouldn't wear the pink ones like I would some of these shades. And I think that there's a fun combination of shades in this set. And the last thing I picked up from that collection is the eyeshadow palette. And this is their SheGlam Cosmic Come Up Alien Mood palette. And this has such fun packaging. For the price and stuff, the quality and just the overall nice packaging, it's crazy the prices of this stuff. $8, this eyeshadow palette. And wait till you see what it looks like. It's adorable. Here's what that palette packaging looks like. Now, these palettes like this are kind of hard to store, but I don't own any palettes that actually are like this style in terms of like they twist it around. How beautiful! There's lots of shimmery shades as well. There is a definite transition brow highlighter there. There's crease colors, there's outer corner colors. You get a really nice black. They're named really cute too, like Jupiter, Black Hole, Nebula, Big Bang, Stardust, Eclipse. It's a very beautiful color story. I'm pleased with this. Can't wait to try these items out. Okay, the next set of items are from their Live to Roam collection. So this is a really cute collection. I'm going to share with you first the eyeliner. And look, once again, super duper cute packaging. There's several eyeliners to choose from. The eyeliners are $2.99 each. This is the SheGlam Live to Roam Get Going Cream Eyeliner. I do own eyeliners from SheGlam, and they are really nice. They stay put, they're waterproof, and they don't budge. So this is like a neutral, kind of everyday kind of collection. In terms of the colors that the palette has, the eyeliners, the lip products that are available, they're more of like everyday kind of shades. I don't know if you can see, but that is super cute. Okay, I got the shade Map Out. And it's a nude shade. They have like a white color or an ivory, and they had this, and then they had like 3 other, I think they had the black, and they had like 2 different brown shades. Next up, we're going to look at the lip product from this collection. Once again, several shades to choose from. It's the SheGlam Live to Roam Epic Adventure Liquid Lipstick. Super cute packaging once again. All these shades once again are like neutrals and everyday kind of wear. Super duper cute. It has this tassel hanging off of it that you can remove and use on keys, purses, wherever, or just keep it like this. I'm probably going to keep mine like this. This one, All Abroad, is the shade that I got. It's a nice light nude shade. Very nice. And the last thing I have to share is the SheGlam Live to Roam palette. And the packaging on these are so nice. They're textured. And it's, assuming that I want it to be like leather maybe. And makeup comes really well packaged from Shein. Look how cute this packaging is. It's so nice and soft as well. You got some little hardware on here. And this palette is gorgeous. And this palette, it's like a tripod kind of situation. And it reminds me of my Urban Decay Naked palette. This palette is all mattes and 1 shimmery shade. And there's a definite brow highlighter, there's transition shades, there's outer corner shades, and there's a most definite shade you would want to use on your lid and your inner corner. This is absolutely stunning. Look at the embossed shadows. The Alien palette had embossed shadows too. How nice is this? And this one was on sale, even though this is one of their newest collections. This was on sale for $6. Absolutely stunning. The names are like Shining Horizon, Earth Eyes, Mud Road, Mountaintop. Very beautiful palette. This is adorable. I think this set would make a good Christmas gift. It's very everyday. Love it. I want to take a quick look back at the Alien palette really quickly, because I did not mention, but there's like a galaxy etched there, a spaceship, an alien, and a planet. Super, super cute. That is my entire Shein haul. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and will stay tuned for more Shein videos. Definitely going to be doing full faces of SheGlam Makeup very soon, so stay tuned for that. Lots of other videos planned as well, so stay tuned. Don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and I thank you guys so very much for watching. Don't forget to check the description box and the cards for additional links. Stay tuned for more videos like these.